everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be recreating one of Carli Bybel's makeup tutorials. These videos were super popular like last year. I have been obsessed with Carli Bybel's makeup look that she did for her birthday. I have been obsessed with it and I really wanted to sit down and kind of recreate it, so I figured that I would do it on camera. So this is going to be a recreation video, kind of like turning myself into Carli Bybel too. Yeah, so I thought this would be a fun video to film. So if you guys want to see me recreate one of Carli Bybel's makeup tutorials, then please keep watching. So I even got like pink flowers to put in the background because I thought that was like so cute. Alright, so let's get started. I don't have every single product that she is using in her video, but I feel like I have like the main things, you know, like the eyeshadow palette and things like that. Also picked up by L'Oreal the dark brown magic root cover up. I thought this would be really cute to spray my whole head with, just to like get rid of the blonde and just so my hair is like nice and dark like Carli's. Alright, so I'm going to pull up her video of the makeup tutorial that I love, and I'm going to screen record it and I'm going to put it at the bottom of this screen.
I'm using my Cover FX blurring primer. I've been obsessed with this one lately.
I have the same primer, so we are just going to apply. It's actually my first time using this. It's pretty similar to the Dr. Brandt Pores No More.
And for my foundation, I am using my Fiona Styles. There is a new one that I have been using.
She's using her Fiona Styles foundation. I can't find that. I think she said it was sold out. So instead, I'm just going to be using my Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Foundation. This is still really full coverage. But yeah, I really want to try the Fiona Styles foundation. I just can't find it. She linked one from Walmart, but I don't know. Sometimes Walmart sells fake things.
It's impossible to get, so I apologize, but it honestly is an amazing foundation if you can get your hands on it. To contour my face, I am using the Graftobian Warm Palette.
This is going super fast. Shade. I didn't realize how fast it was going. I'm going to take a little more. This is like hands down my favorite foundation, and it's Maybelline, so it's affordable.
Just gonna contour all around my forehead, my cheeks, and on my jawline.
So she is contouring first. I'm gonna be contouring with the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Sculpting Bronzer. I love this stuff. Carli like hardcore contours her nose, so I'm gonna try to do exactly the same. So I'm gonna take a brush to contour my nose. I'm gonna try to make it similar to hers. She makes like 2 straight lines. She makes it very slim. So I usually would just like stick the brush. I usually would just put this directly onto my face, but I'm gonna do exactly what she's doing. So it's getting kind of dark outside and I really hate having the window open because you can, I don't know, people can see me. I'm getting a little nervous for my nose contour. Usually like does that last. I'm scared it's gonna like dry too quickly. Because she's using Tarte Shape Tape, which I have.
Concealer, I'm using my Shape Tape concealer as always. So I wanted to leave like the face portion of this video in like double speed just because I use the same products every time because
she's using
they
a
are
lot.
my holy grail. But if you guys want to see like an
lot.
updated contour highlight routine in normal speed and me like talking through it, let me know. I know it's been a little bit since I have done that. So I'm just blending out my nose contour and then I'm going in with my Ben Nye Fair powder.
Okay, let's blend all this out. And then she takes a little bit more concealer and she puts it right next to the nose contour. And then she uses a brush, which I have a kind of a brush that's similar. And she like takes the concealer and goes over it, I guess. but how does she get it look so blended? Without a beauty blender or anything. My nose looks pretty snatched. So I'm just gonna take my brush and just blend it out normally, because my nose looks pretty good. Alright, then she sets it. I'm going to use my Pretty Vulgar palette, my Pretty Vulgar setting powder. I love this stuff. This stuff is like so good. Guys, this powder is so good. My camera keeps focusing on the flowers. How do you get to focus on it? It keeps blurring me. It's annoying.
I just use the Brow Wiz in Granite and the Brow Pomade in Granite as well.
Okay, so she used the Brow Wiz, which I have, but I have it in dark brown. She used it in Granite, which is a lot darker. And I kind of want to use a dark color too, just because I'm going to be spraying my hair. So I have right here, this is by Benefit. This is Brow Zing's Pro Palette. They actually just sent this to me. I've never tried this powder before, so I think I'm gonna use a dark shade in this. But first, what I'm going to be using, I'm gonna use my Maybelline Tattoo Studio just to line out my brows. This stuff is so good. If you're looking for an affordable eyebrow product, this is like holy grail. I think I reviewed this on my channel a year ago, and I kid you not, since I reviewed it on my channel, I have not used any other brow product. Literally, it's so good. I'm just gonna line out my brows. And hers are a lot thicker than mine, so I'm gonna make them thicker too. Alright, I had to put my blinds down because I couldn't focus. I kept thinking someone was watching me. Alright, so I created the line. Now I'm going to go in with the Brow Zing's palette. This is the shade Medium to Deep. I'm going to take this really dark shade right here, the third one from the top, and we're going to make my brows look darker. And who knows, maybe me spraying my hair dark, I may like it where I'll dye my hair dark. For those who are new here, I had gastric sleeve surgery last year in October, and I lost a lot of hair. Sorry, I can't talk. I lost a lot of hair, like a lot. And a lot of my hair is growing back where you can't really see because I straightened my hair, but you can probably see the top up here. Like there's just a lot of hair coming in. So I haven't bleached my hair because, I mean, you really shouldn't bleach all that regrowth and all that baby hair. So a lot of my blonde is basically grown out. It's like just going through a weird stage right now. And like I haven't really done my hair because I just like don't know what to do with it yet. So I was recently thinking about just dyeing my whole head brown and just wait until it grows back and then go back blonde. But I just, every time I look at photos with brown hair and then I look at photos with blonde hair, I'm like, no way, like blonde just looks better on me. So who knows if this comes out good. Maybe. Alright, I'm going to take the lighter shade. We're spending too much time on the brows right now. This is my good brow. This is like my really bad brow.
So I do apologize, but first I'm picking up the color Bare and I'm applying that all over my lid.
Okay, she's picked up the shade Bare. Where are all my freaking brushes? Alright, so she took the shade Bare, the white shade here, and she put that all over her lid, which is what I'm going to do. This shade is actually really pigmented. Alright.
And picking up the color Bybel with a large blending brush, and I'm going to start blending. Sponge does the job perfectly. Then
picking the shade Bybel, and she's putting that all up in the crease, extending it out to the brows using a straight edge. So I'm taking the primer that I use blending that into the brow. She put some bronzer on her nose. I'm gonna do that now. Did I just ruin the vibe for this video now? Since I went out of place.
And with a smaller blending brush, I'm picking up the color Bowie, and I'm going to start blending that out on the outer half of my eyelid, also into my crease, and out past my eyebrow as well.
And she picked up Bible again.
I'm going back in with a little bit more of the color Bible, and I'm just blending it out again. Then I'm picking up the color Jode on the center of my eyelid, blending it into the darker brown and also into the color Bear. Then picking up the color Bali, I'm going to apply that on the inner third of my eye and also in my tear duct.
I feel like the shade Bowie doesn't really show up as glittery for me, so I'm gonna take the shade Bear, because Bear is like really pigmented white, and I'm gonna push that into Jode. Oh my god, this was my nose contour brush. I'm so mad I used the black. Now I gotta clean this brush. Okay, so she went in with liner and then lashes. I'm going to make a wing using my Kat Von D tattoo liner. And then she also takes it up here. But I feel like when I do that, because I've done it before, yeah, it makes my eyes look longer now. But then, ooh, why am I tearing? But then like throughout the day and the night, it gets like all like wet and gross. So I went ahead and applied some lashes. I haven't worn lashes in the longest time, but I'm using the Kiss number 11 lashes. These are the only lashes I have. The iconic ones that she used are really, really good. I wish I had them, but.
So for my bottom lash line, I'm going in with the color Bowie with a pencil brush. And then below that color, I'm using Bible to just give it like a pretty faded look. And with a smaller pencil brush, I'm picking up the color Jode, and I'm applying that just on like the...
We're going to put some rhinestones on as well. Oh my god, the entire time I had these cat ears. I'm going to bronze up using the Hoola bronzer. I didn't have any silver shirts, like sparkly shirts like she was wearing. And for blush, she uses that by Flower Beauty, that like pink blush. I have something similar. It's pretty pink. I'm going to use this on my cheeks. At least I think she used the flower one. And then she used her lip products. I'm going to use Gerard Cosmetics Sugar and Spice.
And when I celebrated my birthday, I mixed Libra and Sirius to do like a little bit more of like a pink.
So she does more like a
Lighter
pink. I have Joseph Colors Flirty. Let's see. It's kind of like a pink too.
Just gonna fade in a little bit around the edges. And then for gloss, I use my Supernova gloss. Just in the center and on the cupid's bow.
For lip gloss, I have by Tarte. This is the Lip Bling in High Standards. I'm going to put it just in the center, like she did, because it's pretty similar. Oh, wow. It's very similar. Okay, so she's basically done. Now we're going to do our fun part. We are going to spray our hair. So I feel like this is the main event. Oh my god. This just proves to me that I don't want to go brown though. So this is what I would look as a brunette, I guess. So my camera is like blinking, it's about to die again. I'm gonna go plug it back in and I'm gonna finish the rest of my hair. So I think this came out pretty, oh god, there's black on my face from the hairspray. Oh, it's all up in here. I didn't have like a sparkly silver top, so I thought a gray top would kind of be similar, maybe some sparkly earrings. So this is the final recreation of Carli's look. I absolutely love it, and I love the rhinestones. I think that's like such a cute idea. I wore rhinestones when I went to Electric Zoo, and I loved it, but honestly, just having rhinestones as just regular makeup is just really cute too. It kind of like spruces up your makeup look and just makes it really, really pretty. I absolutely love how this came out. It is really pretty. Carli's palette with Anastasia is literally one of my favorites. And you know, doing this actually made me realize what I look like with brown hair, because I've been contemplating going brown again, and I think I'm meant for the blonde life. I don't know. That's what I think. So I guess this video is a recreation, or kind of like turning myself into Carli Bybel. I'm not really sure which one I want to call it, but this video was so much fun to film, and I also loved recreating this eye look because I absolutely loved it, and especially when she did it, it looked so, so pretty. And yeah, I thought this video was so much fun to do, and I definitely want to do it again with someone else. So let me know who else you guys want to see me recreate or kind of turn into, or anything like that. I wish it was daylight so I can take some better selfies with this dark hair. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to recreate another YouTuber's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one.